So every morning before I start work, I like to have a little bimble around the old gardens, whether it be the veg garden or the flower garden. And it gives me 4 benefits, I think, from that little bimble in the morning. Number one, I get to go outside before, sitting in front of a computer screen all day, which is never particularly exciting, but get out in the fresh air, experience a bit of natural views rather than man-made views, and that's psychologically important. Number 2, I get to have a look at the state of my garden, see what's growing, what's not growing, if there's any pests been out there, any more asparagus spears at this time of year come out. Number 3, and very importantly, I get to do a little bit of weeding, and I pick a little area, so I have a little walk around, and then for 10 minutes I pick a little area and I start weeding that area. Get rid of all the weeds, only 10 minutes worth. And number 4, with those weeds, I get to fill up the compost bin, which is obviously very good at this time of year. Not much green to start with, so I'm filling up the compost bin, ready for some brand new, beautiful compost later on in the year. Job's a good one.